Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this before and after transitions on CapCut. So you can start by adding a clip like this in CapCut into CapCut. Then split the clip into two to where you want the transition to start. I'm going to split in here, for example. Let's split, and after that you can just make some changes on the second clip because this is the after. So this is the after before the first video here. So on the second video, I'm going to just add some filter. For example, here, let's find filter. Okay, I'm going to add these. Okay, let's try this Oppenheimer filter. I'm going to go with 100. Click on a check icon so you can see the difference, right? And after that, you can just click on the transition box in between the clip and then just find wipe on the transition search column. Click on enter. Then you can just add these wipe right transition. Click on that, adjust the duration to your liking, and after that you can just go back, click on a check icon, and let's see the result. So this is the before video and this is the after. So that's pretty easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.